Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to insert watermark in Excel for two method. Okay, step 1, go to insert tab. Now select text box, type your watermark name, watermark. Okay, Excel. Select the text, middle, that change your text size. Okay, fill option, no fill. Text color, select a text color. Okay, choose your style and fill, insert the watermark. Okay, remove outline, right click mouse, outline, no outline, or select outline color. I select no outline. No line. Okay, step number 2, go to insert tab. Now see this insert watermark, click here. Type your watermark name, font, watermark font. Okay, font size, I select automatic, or you select custom size. Okay, color medium gray, I automatically selected this medium gray. You select any color. Okay, style diagonal or horizontal, I select diagonal, then apply or click OK. Now see this automatically insert watermark. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.